those of you who want a successful publishing business in 2026, you might want to watch this video to the very end. Now, I am someone who has actually grown to understand the business of publishing. And if I am recommending this or that to you, I actually know what I'm talking about. If I'm telling you this is a strategy that can help you succeed in your publishing business, that particular strategy will actually help you succeed in your publishing business. Now, I actually have a community of people, like-minded publishers, of people who actually share ideas and help themselves succeed in the business in my ZTH Amazon KDP blueprints. Now, a student of mine actually came up with a post one day in the group, and this is the post right here. You understand? So he was actually reacting to someone's inning for that particular year, for the year 2025. Now, as you can see on the screen, this guy actually made about $15,200 from January to December. You understand? That is roughly about close to 20+ million naira if you are in Nigeria. You understand? Now, in the post, he actually did some writings and some captions just to encourage people to take the business serious. And he was like, the difference be say, plenty of us, they take this business like side hustle. After we don't use all of our energy for labor, work, our bosses go, they command us anyhow. You go leave house 7 a.m, close 5 p.m. Are you not tired? You understand? Make we embrace this work serious. You get? So he was like saying people should actually take this work serious, like the publishing business serious. You understand? Make we embrace this work serious. How many of our feet confess say you don't write over 90 books within 5 months? Now, if you look at the screenshot, this guy have actually written about 150 books. You understand? I don't know if the 150 books he wrote is in 2025, but he has over 150 books in his dashboard. And in the year 2025, he has actually made over $15,000 in an account. You understand? So, and he was like, see, you see, with the joke with this business, write good book for your life. Write many books, we get value. Watch all the videos and strategies yourself. Get like 30 accounts and write well. I beg, no blame any course creator. Blame you. Sit down, write. You understand? So he actually continued again. And he was like, this thing a business. Own your shop and office where I dey wish everybody better next year. Now I want you to take a look at this. This is one of my students, and this is how much he has actually made this month. And if you take a look at this also, this is what one of my students is doing with his biography account. You understand? Now, one thing you should actually understand about the publishing business is that you don't just jump into book publishing. You understand? You go into book publishing having the right information, and the right information actually enables you to earn as much as you want to earn. If you want to succeed in this business in 2026, there are 3 things that you must take serious. And if you cannot take these 3 things serious, you are not going to be succeeding in this business in 2026. You understand? Number 1 is fixing your mindset. Fixing your mindset, your mentality. Now, the mentality people come with in this business is something that I cannot even think about, because they come with a survivor mentality. A lot of publishers see Amazon KDP as, something that they need to do to survive, that hard situation they are. Maybe in the next few months, they have a wedding to, pull up, and they are looking for money. So the next thing they run into, what business can I do that can fetch me money fast? Amazon KDP. You understand? They are struggling financially and they need a safe haven. They need something that they can do to actually get them out of that financial darkness that they are. What is the idea when they go online? The idea they see and the vehicle they see that they can use to making this amount of money that they need in solving, whatever issue they have is Amazon KDP. So people come with the wrong mindset. And you also have people who actually sell you lies and tell you that in the next few months that you are going to be making so amount of money, and you get these courses, go through them, and you saw that first of all you bought a trash, and secondly the money they promised that you will be making, you are not making that money, and you begin to feel that, oh, this business does not work. So the first thing you have to fix if you will ever succeed in this business in 2026 is having an investment mentality. Amazon KDP book publishing in any platform is a business, and you should treat it as such. It is a business. It is not something that can save you from poverty. It is not something that can give you the amount that you need to actually run that wedding that you have. It is not something that can actually get you out of that financial rat race. It is a business. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is something that you have to learn how to do the things that will help you succeed in the business. You get? So if you are coming and you are like, this vehicle, I want to make so amount of money, and you don't want to put in the time, the investment it requires for you to succeed in the business, you will fail. There are 90% of people who publish book on Amazon are people who watch videos on YouTube. You understand? And I will keep telling you that YouTube cannot give you everything. Now, some people come to this YouTube channel and they are wowed by the information they get in this YouTube channel. But I can tell you for a fact, what you are seeing in this YouTube channel is not even up to 5% of what is in my mentorship. You understand? So just imagine you come to this YouTube channel. Some people have actually used videos in this channel and made a lot of money. Just imagine what you will be making if you now have the real information. You understand? The 85% of information that you need to succeed in the business. So the first thing you need to fix is your mindset. You need to have the right mindset, and you need to have that investment mentality. Take your time to invest in yourself. 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 is not too big for you to learn a business that can help you earn $1,000 in a month. You understand? The only problem that you have is that you are so greedy that you cannot invest in your own self to learn a skill that can change your life. So build that mindset of being able to invest. And if you are doing this business, look, just know that in 2026, for those people who actually make it and make it big in this business, it's not people who will be losing account because they have a personal account. It's people who are actually looking beyond having a personal account and having an LLC account. So if you'll be making it big in this business in 2026, you have to actually put all these things in your plans. And you are saying, I'll be using this personal account to make sure that I acquire a lot of LLCs that I can publish in any niche at all. This will actually give you the confidence to make real money on Amazon. If you have, let me say, like 3 LLC accounts, and you choose 3 niches, and you are focused on publishing on these 3 niches in these 3 different LLC accounts, if you are making $15,000, that account will feature stamp. If you are making $30,000 in a month, that account will feature stamp because it's an LLC account. Now, if you are making $30,000 in a personal account, you will have difficulties in even getting your money to your local bank account because how are you making this money? You have to explain. But if you're actually going through an LLC, is another means of actually collecting your money without issues because they know that this is a limited liability company. You get? So you have to build that investment mentality, not just a survival mindset. Amazon KDP in 2020 should not be something that you feel that, let me just get that $100 so that I go feed chop or buy clothes or do anything like that. No. It is something that you should do, and you know that, okay, I'll be doing this thing for a very long time. And it's high time I start investing in it. Look, some people come to me and they'll be like, I hope if I pay for this course, I am not going to be spending any other money again, like on tools and everything. You want to make good amount of money in a publishing business that you have competitors, and you don't want to use tools. You don't want to spend money on tools. You understand? These are, things that you just do to deceive yourself, to keep struggling. That is number 1. Number 2 is diversifying your portfolios, your book, to other platforms. We all know that Amazon is the biggest platform we actually have that there when it comes to earning. You understand? They are the largest online bookstore in the world. We know that. But there are 3 other platforms that you can earn money, even if it is not as much as Amazon. There is Apple Books. There is Google Play Books. There is Barnes & Nobles. Barnes & Noble actually has the largest retail physical store in the United States. And your major target is the United States. So if you are writing paperback books and you are publishing these books on Barnes & Nobles and they are putting these books in their bookshelf, you will be rest assured that you will sell. You get? Because you have your book published on this platform also. So having people who actually make real money in their publishing business, not just as a KDP publisher, as a publisher in general, are people who will diversify their books to other platforms, shift their books and start re-uploading them in. There are platforms like Findaway Voices where you can convert your book to audiobook and you will be making money with audiobooks. You can also sell your audiobooks on Google Play Books and you will be making money selling that same book that you've converted to ebook and paperback to audiobooks, and you'll be making money from it. You understand? So the next thing you need to succeed in this business in 2026 is actually joining the right community. One of the most important and the most valuable thing you will ever get when you join the ZTH KDP blueprint is the power of the community there. There are selfless people who are helping themselves, no gatekeeping, bringing out ideas for other newbies and other publishers like themselves to succeed. You see something that will actually help the community and help people succeed in the business, and you have tested it, it is working for you. You see it out. It's, whatever, because first of all, one person is not an island. I am this kind of person, I don't care who that person is. Just have the information I need. I'll be in your DM. How do I go about this? How do I go about this? Because I am someone who is open to learning. I won't say because I have a lot of experience in this publishing business, I will not learn from other people. If I see a course that can actually help me understand this publishing business better, because, anything publishing, the thing is vast. You have to keep learning every day. Changes every day. There is a pattern this person used that it works fast for them. So there are strategies that you need to apply that people are using that you don't know, that you also need to know. So if you are not someone who is open to learning, you won't know all these things. So you need the power of that community. Look, I am facing this issue in my Amazon KDP business. Have anyone had this experience? How can I solve it? Someone helps you, give you an answer, and you go ahead and solve that issue. Also, the right mentorship. Even as someone who has actually joined the right community, you also need the right person to point you to the right directions. Because most of these people, I'm seeing ads on Facebook again. And most of these people that will actually go and get these courses will also be on my DM in 2026. Crying that they have terminated their account. Crying that their books is being blocked again. Crying that they started Amazon KDP and they bought 3 courses, 5 courses, and it's not working for them. Just because most of these people who sell you these courses are just after selling courses, not helping the people who they are, selling these courses to make money in the publishing business. How can someone who is not publishing books, selling books on Amazon, teach you how to sell book on Amazon? You understand? Most people actually create course out of excitement. I've sold $100. It means I know this business very well. I made $100 in a month. I can now teach anybody who wants to learn this business how to make $100 in a month. Have you made $10,000 in a month? You understand? What is your consistency level in the business? So you have to get mentorship from someone. In 2026, if you need to succeed, from someone who would help you really succeed, and to also join the community that will help you succeed. So these are the 3 things you need. 1, you need to change your mindset. Build an investment mentality. As you are making money from your personal account, be saving money so that you can diversify to other platforms. Be saving money so that you can get an LLC account that will make you a real businessman in the publishing business. Do you understand? And also make sure that you join the right community. Now, talking about joining the right community, I have actually said, if you have watched my previous video that I uploaded in this month of December, I said I'll be giving out my course for just 20,000 naira from the actual price of 30,000 naira. Now, this will actually is what will happen. I want to actually take you guys, for the people who will be making payment, I actually have an offer for you who will be signing up for the course from when you are seeing this video to the 31st of this month, December 2025. This is the offer I have for you. If you are paying for the mentorship, you will get access to my Google Playbooks course. And the only thing you need to get access to this is just 20,000 naira. You will get access to my Google Playbooks course. You will get access to the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint. You will get access to my personal WhatsApp line, which is very important. I respond to DMs and I will not abandon you. You will also get access to the 60-day publishing challenge I want to have. Not 60, 90 days, 5K publishing challenge. So in these 90 days, I will be showing you, sharing strategies with you, taking you by the hands to make your first $5,000. The thing is, there is no way that you pick up this challenge. And this challenge, mind you, is just for 50%. Yes. So if you have about 400 students, the challenge is not for everybody. It's just for 50%. And one thing that will help you qualify for the challenge right now is when you get the course from this time that you are seeing this video to the 31st of December. And if you are already in the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint and you want to also join the challenge in 2026, All you need to do is to pay 5,000 naira to join this challenge. We'll be having live sections once per week. I'll be sharing strategies with you that will help you succeed. Will be on a particular group that you'll be sharing your progress as you actually, try to build a 5K business in the next 90 days. You understand? So all you need to do when you make this payment of 5K, if you don't have access to my Google Playbook course, you'll be having access to my Google Playbook course for just this 5K. Now, this is for people who are already in the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint. You'll be having access to the course, the Google Playbook course. You will also be having access to the challenge. Do you understand? So this is what will qualify you to have. You make the payment of 5K, you join the 50% for the 90 days challenge, who will be learning how to make real money. Now, mind you, the information you have in the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint alone can help you do this. But to make this money fast, I am going to be working with you in the next 90 days to achieve this stuff. We are going to be having live sections. We are going to be having discussions in this group. We are going to be having YouTube or Zoom calls or WhatsApp calls where I will be sharing strategies with you. You also have other people bring, their ideas on how to achieve this thing fast. You understand? So if 2026 is going to be a very successful one for you, if you want to sign up, you can either use the link in the description of this video. There is a promo code attached to it where if you apply it, when you get to the product page on seller, you will get, the discount and you'll be getting the course for just 20,000 naira instead of the actual price of 30,000 naira. If you want to make payment directly to my account, the number will be displayed on the screen. My WhatsApp line will be displayed on the screen. You can send me a DM and say, I want to make payment and also join the challenge in 2026 that will help me make $5,000 in the next 90 days. You understand? Just like I said, I'll be sharing the strategies. I'll be showing you what to do. I'll be having a live class with you, which is not something I usually do, to share strategies with you that will help you succeed. I actually believe that you have gotten value in this particular video. The right mindset, the right community, and also pushing your books to other platforms, which is what I want to actually help you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I am Value Bank and I will be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you. Don't forget, I'll see you on the inside. The link to get the course is in the description. And if you want to get it directly, if you want to pay to my account, make sure that you send me a WhatsApp message. It will also be in the description and in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.